Just doing an update video on the G35, all the new parts I got for it. So far it's been pretty good, but I'm having a little issue with it running a little rough. But I think it's just the crank sensor, knock sensor, or maybe a bad coil. But I'll get it fixed soon. But so far I got new headlights and got them retrofitted from XOX Performance. Black housing, demonized. And then I got a carbon fiber drive shaft shop. One piece drive shaft that weighs about 18 pounds. Shit saves a lot of weight. And stock one's probably about 50 pounds maybe. And I got these Z1 drilled and slotted rotors. 2-piece rotors. And I don't know if you can see them. Front and back. And then I got these Continental Super Sport 285/40 18s. Still got the Rota SVNRs. No, I'm just doing a little bunch of little things. I bought some 272 cams and BC spring retainers. The cams are, what's it called, JWT C8 cams. I actually bought them from my friend locally, and I ended up buying some BC spring retainers and billet oil pump gear. And what else did I get? I got basically a full engine rebuild kit, all the gaskets. I'll be doing that soon, hopefully this month. Hoping to make around hopefully over 300 wheel. That'll be fun for the summer. No, that's about it. Just got the 2-piece rotors and the drive shaft. Feels nice. I also picked up some Z1 headers. Got them ceramic coated at center line. Those should sound really good with the motor dyne. Hopefully open it up a little more. No, it's a little quiet. Motor dyne sounds really nice, but it's really quiet too. I just want it to be a little bit louder, not too much. Alright, thanks guys. Hopefully next video will be it cammed and tuned. Thank you. Later.